Welcome, in front of me is a UMIDIGI Z2, and today I'll show you how to put the device into factory mode. So to get started, hold power key and select power off. And once it shuts off, you want to then hold power key and volume down, both of the keys at the same time. And when you see the logo, you can let go. And we're now in the factory mode. So from here you will use volume down to navigate, as you can see. And you can do a couple things. You can do an auto test, which will go over every aspect of the phone and just test how it works. Then you have the test report, which just gives you an information about that. GPS, I would assume just tests if the chip works. Version, that's just information about the version. And reboot simply allows you to go back and reboot the device. So that's what I'm going to choose. So once you have selected what you want to do, press power key to confirm it. And as you can see, we're now back in the Android. So that is how you reboot your device in and out of the factory mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.